How to send a ride from the admin panel. Here is what the admin panel homepage has. At the top we can see a map with each driver within their location. When you scroll down a little, you can see some modules like a graph with the income in the last 30 days, and also some small squares with some important statistics such as finished and canceled rides, reservations, and total income that was earned in. After that, you will see a graph with different kind of canceled rides such as not accepted, canceled by driver, by passenger, or by the admin. And after that, you can see a list of the drivers with a status such as online, offline, or during a ride. On the left side menu, you will click on Rides History. In that moment, you will see the most recent requested rides, and once loaded, it will show the map with the driver's location. We can zoom into our location and check in specific driver information after clicking on it. You can scroll down and then click on the New Ride green button. This will show a form. We will first check the pickup and drop-off address fields. We proceed to fill that with our addresses. Once we type the address, we need to choose it from the Google Maps suggestions box. We proceed to type the passenger name and also phone number. This is if you use the Do Not Register option, which is the quickest way to send a ride. We can also use Register option or search Registered User. Or choose the current performed trips options in case we need to send a ride with previous address that service was provided, and in this case it pre-fills that information. Let's proceed in this case to the Do Not Register option. We can choose a payment method such as cash, fund from admin, or credit card. After that, we may choose the vehicle type if needed, and the driver who we would like to send the ride to. If we leave it blank, it will find the nearest driver and send the ride one by one until one driver accepts the ride. Before sending the ride, we can check the estimated cost, the nearest driver, and ride time and distance. We click on Send Ride, and it will be sent to your driver. In the driver's side, we will see some ride information, and we can accept the ride. Once done, the map screen will change on the driver's side, and in the admin panel, we will see the ride in pending status, and after it is accepted, we will see a modal showing it was accepted. If we click on the Accept button, we will see that the ride status will be updated. On the driver's side, we can click on the Info button, which is at the top left, where we will see the ride's details. In the admin panel, we can check the marker icon, which is now changed from green to blue. That means the vehicle is going to the pickup location. If we click on the marker at that moment, we will be able to see in how much time the vehicle will arrive to the pickup location. Once the vehicle has arrived, the driver proceeds to click on the Notify Arrival button that changes the driver button to the Start button. And in the admin panel, we will notice that the marker has changed from blue to pink, which means waiting for the passenger. When the driver clicks on the Start button, the route will be updated in the mobile device screen, and in the admin panel, the marker will turn to purple, which means going to the drop-off location. The driver can then finish the ride when done, and that will show the amount to be charged for the ride. And in the admin panel, the marker will turn to green, which means that the driver is available for a new ride. The driver can finish the process by rating the passenger and will be redirected to the main homepage, which is the map in the mobile phone.